In today's video, I'll teach you how to clear incognito browser history on Android. So first of all, launch open Google Chrome on your device. You can see over here Google Chrome has been opened. So tap on the search bar that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, what you have to do is simply type in Chrome colon 2// net dash internals /hash DNS. Now search for it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now over here you'll be able to find this option for clear host cache. So what you have to do is tap on it. Now once you do that, wait for a while and the host cache will be cleared. Similarly, also make sure to clear the regular cache. So for that, tap on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on this option, delete browsing data, that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to delete the browsing data. Make sure cookies, cache and other site data is selected. You can also select the time period if you want. For that, simply tap on the time period that is selected right now. Now after you do that, you'll be able to tap on the time period of your choice. Now tap on this option, delete data, that you can see on the screen. Now wait for a while and the data will be deleted. Now after you do all this, the incognito browser history will be cleared. So that is how you clear incognito browser history on Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.